In this video, I'm going to show you how to write your first program. I'm just going to follow along with these, just in case you missed something in class, and maybe talk a little bit. I'll probably say the same things in class, but here we go. Let's look at this. So it's run BlueJ. So, whoops. This is, hold on, let me pause the video. Okay, there we go. It was running something else that I already made. I did this once before. Okay, so you should see a screen like that if you're running BlueJ. Let's continue on. In the top right, it's top left corner. Choose Create New Project. So in BlueJ, since I'm on a Mac, yours probably be somewhere up here, but since I'm on a Mac, it's up here. Project, New Project. And I think it says to create a new folder, and then create another folder within that, and label your program. So this is how we're going to do it. In BlueJ, it allows you to create stuff. So right now, whatever I make is going to go into my profile. I'm just going to, that's fine, doesn't matter. This is all my stuff. I'm going to say, let's make a new folder. All right, well, actually, cancel. I'm going to put it on the desktop. New folder. Whoop. New folder, what did it say to name it as? I think APCS, and then your name. So I've created a folder. It says the file name is going to be desktop, but I don't want to do that. I want to create another folder. That's what it says to do in the PowerPoint. So new folder, label it week 1. Create. Okay, now I'm in the week 1 folder, and I'm going to name my file, what was it called? I don't remember what it was called. I guess it's right here. Program 1, Hello World. Okay. Hello Work. Program 1, Hello World. So there we go. Let's create it. So there we go. We've just created our file. And then what does it say next? It says you're going to create a new class, and then we're going to name it Hello World. So let's create a new class. Go back to BlueJ. It says new class up here. New class. This class is selected. Class name Hello World. When you name a class, I think you have to have the first letter capitalized, and if you have a new word, it's common practice just to capitalize that second word. When you're making a variable that's more than one word, same thing happens, except for you don't capitalize the first word. Okay, so name it Hello World. There it is. It's my class. And what does it say next? It says to start working on the class. So you double click on it, and then it allows you to edit the code. This is all just a template, so I'm going to say Command All or Command A or Control A, select it all, and delete. We'll start with our own stuff. This is like a template that you're going to be using. It was kind of like, we'll kind of explain it, but we'll get more and more into it as the year goes along. So public, what is this, class, and the class is called Hello World. If you name this, I mean, what we're doing right now is we're creating a class. So if you name this something else right here, it'll change the name of the class. So if I put Hello Pumpkin, this would change to Hello Pumpkin. BlueJ just changes it like that. Okay, tab over curly braces. Curly braces, BlueJ automatically lines it up. I'm going to say end class Hello World. And then inside this class, I'm going to create a method, public. This is just something to just do blindly right now. We'll get more into it later. Public static Stacy. Stacy. Static void main string. Those are brackets. Those are above the return key, the enter key. Args. All right. This is a method. It's like a function. We're going to gloss over what that is for now. Again, I'm going to put braces, curly braces, comment out end method main, because it's the main method that's going to run. And then it asks you to write in. So this we're going to use as a template. This is going to always happen. So get comfortable with typing all of this stuff. stuff that the main method is going to do is, well, I guess that was the next slide. The stuff that the main method is going to do is right here, and that says, I mean, I don't think you can read it right now, but that says system, capital S, system dot out dot println. And what is it going to print? It's going to print whatever I put in these parentheses. To make it print a string, I'm going to put it in quotation marks. Oh, what's a string? Well, we'll get into that more and more later on. So let's write some words. Hello world. I am a programmer. Technically, that's true now, right? You're a programmer, maybe? We'll close that. It turns green. That's letting you know that it's a string. I'm going to space that twice. And then but notice that I leave a space every time I do parentheses. It's so much more readable when you do that. And then we'll put a semicolon. That's it to this. I think the next thing it says is to close or compile. Close the file, then click compile. That's fine. You can compile it while it's open, can you? Yeah. You can compile it, and it says, well, it saves a file, and then it compiles. No syntax errors. That's great. Or you can close it and compile, select it, and then compile. Same thing. If you don't compile it, this will have diagonal lines on it. That just means you need to compile it. So, how do we run this? You right-click and then run the main method that's on the inside. So, let's go back to this. I'll right-click, run that main method. There's no input. We're not going to put anything in. It should do whatever's inside the main method. So, this should print out, not like on paper or anything, but prints to a terminal screen. So it just prints to the screen whatever you typed. So if I did it right, it will print. There we go. Hello world, I am a programmer. There it is. Notice if I go and change this, I'll close this. If I change the words here, hello world, I am a, what am I? I'm a teapot. Teapot. Short and stout. Okay. Compile. Well, if I don't compile it, let's say I close it. There's the lines, so I guess I can compile it from here, right? Yeah, I could compile it from there, or double click, compile. No syntax errors. All right. And then right click to run the main method. Nothing to input, and there it is. This is the last line that I had, and then this is the second time I ran it. I'm a little teapot, or I'm a teapot, a little teapot, whatever. If you want to clear this, you go to the options. Yours might say right here, since I'm on a Mac, it's up here. Options, clear, and it clears all this. If I run it again, it'll only show me that one output, right? It's only once. Usually I forget to clear it, and then I just have too much output on the screen, and I can't tell what the heck I just did. But that's it. There's your first program. That was a long video. That's it. This is self-explanatory. Hopefully we got it in class. All right, goodbye.